If you are a business owner in the cannabis, marijuana, CBD, or any part of the epic explosion in the cannabis-related industry, then it is urgent that you spend a moment with me right here, right now, and let me share with you the groundbreaking information that can revolutionize your business in the area that was off limits and near impossible to get until now. That is the ability to get funding for your business. Business loans, cash advances. It is next to impossible for anyone to get a cannabis business loan or a marijuana business loan right now. I mean funding of any kind. In today's world, even with traditional businesses, the banks are really only loaning money to companies that don't need it. Around 80% of all business loans are denied, and again, that's for a traditional business. So now here you are, all excited, looking forward to your epic, lucrative journey in the marijuana and cannabis industry. And perhaps you're really into helping people from the medical end of it. Helping them manage pain, anxiety, a host of other things. Maybe something more serious like cancer. Or maybe, well, nothing too much you can do about this one, but you know what I'm saying. Medically, the list is astounding what it will do to help people. For our first anniversary, my wife Lisa and I took a trip to Europe. And our layover was in Amsterdam. So we stopped at the Hash Marijuana and Hemp Museum. And they had this large wood plank. That's kind of what inspired the background for this video. On the plank that ran from the floor to, well, quite a bit taller than I was a list of all the medical uses for marijuana. It was a jaw-dropping experience to read this. I mean, incredible, everything that it does. Or maybe for you, it isn't about the medical end of your business. Maybe you're just an old-school stoner looking forward to helping people have a good time, and that's fine. Because either way, like any business owner, you're hoping and striving for that pile of cash to come into your business. So let's face it, to go from this to this requires a lot of this. But traditional lending institutions like banks cannot do cannabis business loans or marijuana business loans because of these four letters, FDIC. The FDIC was created in 1933 by President Roosevelt following the Great Depression. And the purpose of this, in a nutshell, was to protect our money in the event of another financial collapse here in the States. And you may be wondering, what the heck does this have to do with me not being able to get a business loan? Everything. Perhaps you're in a state like Colorado, California, or Michigan, where marijuana is legalized for both medical and recreational. Or maybe you're in a state like Arizona or Florida, where it is only legalized for medical. Again, it doesn't matter, because either way, the FDIC is controlled at the federal level. It may very well be legal in the state you live in or many other states, but the feds control the banks, and they say it's against the law. So cannabis loans are a no-go. Banks can't do it. And that is where we come in to help your marijuana or cannabis company get funding. Welcome to Merchant Cash Fast. I am Ray Janukian, and now that my wife Lisa and I have partnered with MP Business Funding, we have solutions for your cannabis business loan, marijuana business loan, and any related company that is involved. And in a moment, I will show you how to submit your free application. Whether you are distributors and growers, producing edibles, a fencing company, maybe a security company, money transfer, greenhouse companies, you're producing medical cannabis, a retail distributor, or a seed and clone company, we have your back. It doesn't matter what realm of this you're in, we can help you get your funding. So how is it we can do this? We are not FDIC, we're not a bank or other traditional lending institution, and finally, we are not under any federal restraints. Our underwriting team has been in business since 2007. That's 12 years of servicing businesses across the United States of America. We funded over 100,000 companies and distributed over $8 billion to them. That's $8 billion with a B. A lot of cash we've helped people with. Now from here it's easy. All you need to apply is to have been in business for 6 months, as we need 6 months of business bank statements. Or maybe you're in the process of purchasing an already established business, in which case we can still help you. We can fall back on their business bank statements and typically have this loan ready for you before the ink even dries on your purchase agreement. And finally, print out our short, one-sided, 8.5 by 11 application. Literally, one side, 8.5 by 11, generously spaced. I'm sure it'll be the easiest app you've ever filled out. Fill it out and email the application and 6 months business bank statements to us. Then you can be approved and funded in 5 to 10 business days. That fast. Once again, you can have the cash. And it costs, again, absolutely nothing to apply for a marijuana business loan. And by the way, not only is it free to apply, this is a completely unsecured loan because there is no collateral. That is correct. We will not be putting a lien on your personal property, your company, your land, anything. Unsecured loan, no collateral, free application. What are you waiting for? Take action now. Head over to merchantcashfast.com right now. In fact, I'm heading there myself to show you on this very video, step by step, how easy it is to apply immediately to get your cannabis business loan or marijuana business loan right now. No cost, no strings, no risk, only reward, because if you don't like our offer, you are under no obligation to proceed. So once again, pause the video, go to merchantcashfast.com, then come back and hit the play button. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. All right, here we are on merchantcashfast.com. So what you're going to want to do, head right up here and click on Cannabis Loan. Now that you're on this page, just scroll down a little bit if you need to, and you'll see right there, get your application, click that, print it out, fill it out. Then you can click that one, submit all your documents, the filled out application, and your 6 months business bank statements. If you have any questions, you'll notice towards the top right of the website, our phone number's there. Feel free to give us a call. Outside of that, again, this is Ray Janukian. On behalf of my wife Lisa and I, we look forward to helping you move your business into the future. So take action now and let's get started.